Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today in this video we'll be talking about XNSPY, which is one of the most reliable and trusted cell phone monitoring software. Hi guys, I'm your host Shaumitseth, and without any further ado, let's get started.
XNSPY is one of the most advanced and feature-rich monitoring software. You can easily keep a track of phone calls and contacts. You can record calls, you can track locations in real time. You can monitor emails, SMS, and without rooting the cell phone, you can easily monitor WhatsApp. You can remotely monitor the surrounding sounds, block apps, and take screenshots using this app. Apart from monitoring, this app also protects the user against instances of cyberbullying, notifies you of suspicious activities, and it can also wipe data in case you have lost your cell phone. The best thing about this software is that it works with all the major smartphone brands and popular mobile operating systems such as Android and iOS, and there is a dedicated compatibility tester available on their website where you can put the name of your device and you can check whether it's compatible with your phone or not.
The installation process is pretty easy. First, you will have to purchase an active subscription. On doing so, you will receive an email containing the login details, download link, and an activation code. On an Android device, just open the download link received on your email and enter 1234 to download the APK file. Once the file is finished downloading, click on it and press install. After the app has installed, you will have to open it and give some permissions. Then you will have to enter the activation code that you had received on your registered email, and then you will need to give access to the app before it can start monitoring.
Once you have given the access and the app has been set up, you will have to go to the dashboard. And as you can see on the front page of the dashboard, you are able to see your device details. Apart from details, you can see call and text incoming and outgoing charts, last known location, and recent text messages received. On the left hand corner, you are able to see a list of features. Under phone logs, you can monitor phone logs, calls, text messages, and emails. You can monitor contacts and internet history. Under Messenger, you can monitor WhatsApp messages. And apart from WhatsApp, you're also able to see apps such as Tinder and Facebook that you can monitor through this app. You can also look and block the installed apps, monitor the overall and individual app screen time. You can keep the track of all the locations visited on a particular day. You can keep an eye on the phone's gallery. You can remotely record the screen of the phone and take screenshots. You can keep a track of all the Wi-Fi networks that the phone has been connected to. You can remotely record calls, wipe out data, lock the phone, or take screenshot with the help of the remote control facility. Last but not the least, you can also export WhatsApp chats, emails, etc. in a CSV format. Overall, the XNSPY has been so far the most compatible and reliable monitoring software developed for smartphone. The features offered are truly useful, especially the remote control features and the WhatsApp monitoring. For parents, this app is relief giver as they can track their kid and their activity on the internet with the help of just one click.
Okay guys, with that being said, we come to the end of this video. So this was my take on the XNSPY. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I hope you have learned something from this video. If you have any queries regarding this software, then you can feel free to ask me in the comment section below, and also you can check the first link in the description which will take you to their website. Also, if you're new here, then do consider hitting the subscribe button and also pressing the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. With that being said, this is Shaumitseth signing off. Peace.